There you go. Now show off. What you think? What you think? Say, Granny, pull on him. Say, pull down on him. You don't care about the toy, you like the fan. You like the fan, huh?
You can quarrel with it like you did the sunshine.
Hey there. Oops, lens cap. Hey. You're not going to say much now, are you? You were very talkative a few minutes ago. You can talk to the fan, you know. You can talk to it. Where's Granny going? Where's Granny going? Maybe. Maybe. It's your flower. It's your flower.